Good morning! Yay, good morning. I'm a little tired. Sarah's over here eating breakfast. She's wide awake, can't you tell? Here's the answer last night's movie question, or Disney movie trivia question, whatever. You know what I'm talking about. It was Oliver and Company. Believe Toto said it. Or Tito. Tito it is. Yes, Tito.
My wife thinks we should start investing elsewhere. What do you think?
I think your wife is right. Ecclesiastes 11:2 says, divide your portion to 7 or even 8, because you do not know what misfortune may occur upon the earth. In other words, diversify, because as we've seen, gold can go up in value or down. You know, the Lord often speaks most clearly to the husband through his wife, because he honors her office as helpmate to the husband. So use this opportunity to thank her and come even closer together as a couple. Well, want to learn more about investing God's way? Visit heyhoward.org.
It's after work and I'm back at my mom and dad's house. Or not necessarily back, but I stopped by here after work because Sarah doesn't get off until 6. So here's a better look at that Mickey from the other day, because now that it's light out, you can actually see him. Isn't he cool? Yay, I'm home! Sarah's not, though. Yep, she's at school. She had Spanish class that ended up getting canceled. But then she has to help out and watch some kids after school. So that's what she's doing. Won't be back here until 6. And I have to call in a prescription for her. Good stuff. We'll see how this goes. Oh, and one other thing. You know, I keep saying I drive a lot. People, please use your turn signals. Your vehicle, I guarantee you, your vehicle has turn signals. They're there for a reason. Use them. If you don't use them, you're lazy. Look who just got home.
Oh, it's so cold.
I missed her.
Oh, man. It's freezing.
What was today at school? It was Crazy Color Day, right?
Yes, today was like Crazy Color Wacky Wednesday, which I didn't go very wacky, but I did crazy colors because I have this fun skirt that I got, and it's a good day to wear it.
What's tomorrow?
Tomorrow is pajama day.
It means you get to wear your new slippers.
I'm gonna wear my new slippers. I'm gonna wear those all day long. I'm not gonna want to take them off when I have to go outside.
Uh-huh.
But we'll see. Oh man, I'm excited for pajama day. It's the comfiest day. Yay!
Yay, we're watching the Tim Tracker. I totally hope that we get to see them while we're on vacation in Florida. It'll be so awesome. Hello. So, I'm tired. We just got done watching MasterChef Junior. And the kid we wanted to win won.
Yay!
Yay!
Good job.
And now we should probably start packing.
Chris is sleepy.
But I just want to go to bed.
Sleepy McGee over here.
It's like 8:15 though. Come on now. Come on now.
I know.
So,
I'm gonna tease you a little bit because I love you.
on to packing. Yay, we're packing! There's a clothes! A suitcase that's getting filled up! And my pretty wife. Here is tonight's Disney movie trivia question. What Disney movie is this line from? I didn't know this one. Look, there are only 4 questions left. That's it. That's all that's left out of... Here's the ones that we've done so far. We've done this many. That's a lot. Look. Lots of them we've done so far. Yay, good fun. There we are, about 90% of the way all packed up. Can't wait to go. My wife graduated from the Jan 5 School of Packing.
And she graduated from the Jack Alexander School of Packing, which is even higher than...
Most prestigious packing school.
The most prestigious, I tell you what.
Hello! So, it's time to go to bed. Because it's late. And I'm tired. And we're done packing.
Wow.
For now, my wife says. Yeah. Yeah. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Stay tuned. Because, today is Wednesday. So tomorrow's Thursday. And then Friday after work, we leave to go on vacation. Vacation. Christmas break. She's doing the vacation dance.
Vacation March.
Vacation March. Okay.
You're on vacation. We can't do it yet though. That was a preview.
No, preview.
But we can't actually do it until we're on vacation.
See you guys tomorrow. Good night.